We're up above the derailment site, and as you will see in an upcoming video, the scrappers have finally made it down there to start scrapping that out. So I've got 4 different videos I need to shoot today. I only had 3 planned, but I didn't know the scrappers were going to be here. I wasn't even sure if I was going to come up here today, but I'm glad I did. So now you're going to get to see some of that scrapping as well. But anyway, the reason I am way up here above the scrappers is because this is where the derailment happened the other day. Let's go see what they did. This is the piece of rail they cut out. You can see there how damaged it is. Let's go about maybe 5 feet. You look under it. Looks like a mountain range. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see because it's all in shadow, but you can definitely see the difference between the width of the rail where it's flat there and how much of it chunked away. A good inch. I thought a ½ inch the other day, but yeah, that's not a good thing. But anyway, let's run up here to the rail they put in. I can see down there quite a bit of sight distance coming up here. And up at the tunnels, if a train does come, I will certainly be able to hear them sounding their horn. Give me plenty of time to get in the clear. But here is the original piece of rail, and I talked about how they wouldn't be able to just put in a piece of rail from there because as worn as this is, that rail would be too tall and too narrow. What they did, and what I'm assuming took them so long the other day, was they went and found some rail that was just as worn out and stuck it in here. And you can see that the ends are already starting to chip out. I don't know what their plan is. Time-wise, I heard someone say that they're supposed to be up here with a rail gang in January. I can't imagine they would leave this that long, but who knows. Same thing on this end. You can see where it's chipping away. You can also see where the rail has been moving, where this rail has been moving back and forth. The temperature changes between night and day right now aren't very much. It's been about in the high 40s at night, and right now it's 73. It's very warm. It looks cold out here, but it isn't. But so anyway, that was their plan for changing this, and hey man, whatever works. So if they come up here to change the rail out with the rail gang, and I'm aware of it, I may try to get up here, but I don't know. As you can see, there isn't much area to squeeze in here. Access to this is very limited. You can get in from either direction, but anyway, I would be here, I'd probably be in the way. So I probably won't do that. Highway 58 over there. But anyway, I was thinking that if they put in a new piece of rail like that, they would have brought welders in, welded it out, done some, and not welded the piece in, but did a slow weld on top of the rail. They have a special material they do that with that would run it up to the height of the new rail and grind the new rail in to where everything kind of matched. But in the end, this is actually a much better idea. And as I said, I think that What took him so long was just going and finding some rail that was in the same shape as this. All right, well, that's going to conclude the big derailment video on the Tehachapi. Though we didn't actually even get to see any pieces, any part of the train involved. We just got to see what caused it and how they fixed it. Again, I know it wasn't very exciting, but kind of informative. So here are the URLs to my PayPal and my Patreon. If you can help out the channel that way, I'd sure appreciate it. Keep shooting me the ideas. Drop them in the comments below. Shoot me an email at motorpoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe, click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content, and we'll see you all later.